know that AI is transforming animation at an astonishing rate? What does it mean for creativity in our favorite cartoons? Welcome to the world of AI in cartoon animation, a fascinating frontier that captivates audiences everywhere, as technology breathes new life into storytelling. Yet many harbor misconceptions about this technology. Fears of job loss loom large alongside concerns that AI stifles creativity rather than fosters it. But what if we told you that AI actually enhances the creative process? It streamlines workflows, empowers creators, and introduces groundbreaking storytelling techniques that bring fresh ideas to life. Take, for instance, a recent project where animators utilized AI to craft a beautifully complex animated series. The result? A stunning blend of human artistry and digital innovation that sparked inspiration across the entire community. In summary, AI is not a replacement but a revolutionary ally in the animation industry. It unlocks creative potential in ways we've only begun to explore. So, what do you think about AI in animation? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.